we are going to Hongdae right now to Bigger Rings, which is where we took our photos area.
Korea does look different in the day. It's more like I mean, it looks better as a city now. At least a little bit.
At night it's just crowded.
You know how they say like 안녕하세요? Is that for like hello and goodbye?
Yeah.
So it's like aloha or salut. Hello and goodbye. Coffee. A little. Yeah, it's like 2 minutes. And now flowers. Oh, it looks like a sweatshop. What other option do we have? Okay, it was turned in. We were here. It's a tourist zone. We're tourists. I was just saying how like last night there was a lot of people here. There must have been garbage everywhere, but it's clean now. I imagine it's the place because they look like they had materials. I just did not expect it to look like a sweatshop. It's lit up. Oh no.
Drawer setting, engraving two type, engraving black and white.
Okay.
Choose the design first for me. Okay. For this size and for you the bigger size. And if we do black engraving for gemstones, we can't pick up today.
So we can't.
Yes, yeah. So just you can do white engraving and no stones.
Ring finger, right? That's why it's
Well,
called
it's not
ring
gonna
finger.
fit.
This is kind of small.
You like thickness. Don't worry about the size.
This looks like an iron ring.
Yeah, that's thick. There's a thinner one. Extra solid.
I don't want it to look too much like an iron ring, but
Which one? Do you like this?
we're choosing for ourselves. Maybe this texture. Nah, this one's better, I think. Is this how it's gonna eventually look?
Yeah.
So uncomfortable. Yeah, you know what? Let's just go the hammer one. It's the only one that really... Yeah, you can do engraving on the inside.
Oh.
I'm gonna copy the engineer's iron ring. Okay, not that one. And if it's this size, it will never come off, which is what we want, right? It seems okay, but do you think it should be bigger? Bigger? Oh, all of it. Okay. Neat.
Okay. Okay.
Just hit it until it sits inside.
Don't hit the non-black part.
Oh.
Fine. Here. Trade. I make hits. Five times.
Up and down. So it still rotate. Okay. I think so. I don't think it's taking away material, so I think that's what I'm doing. I would assume so. Oh, you made it all the thing I liked. Make it too loose. Nice out as well. Shiny time.
Right. Enjoy it.
Okay. getting a star. I'm not sure about the moon, but there's definitely tons of stars. Okay, let's do JV, and then you get some stars. What do you think? Do you want the JV in there?
Yeah, because anyone now can steal or take it. Do you have a moon?
Moon?
Wash your hand and make comfort. Finish. Make finish.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, that was done quick. Hey, that's a moon. You see it?
Oh, yay.
It's rather hard to see, but. Oh. Yeah, it's great. Thank you. This goes behind that, right?
But I want it on top of it.
Doesn't have it. Okay, thank you. That was fun. And then I don't have to wear this because, as nice as this is, it's very flamboyant. Let's give it just a test run. Sucks.